the game changer in clean energy. What if one scientific breakthrough could solve two of the biggest challenges in solar technology, efficiency and stability, across two different types of solar cells? In this video, we dive into a revolutionary study from National Taiwan University, where researchers have developed interspersed assembled monolayers, IAMs, a powerful dual-molecule strategy that enhances both perovskite and organic solar cells. Sun with face. By leveraging a push-pull donor acceptor effect, IAMs not only boost power conversion efficiency, but also improve device longevity, all while simplifying materials design and slashing R&D costs. This discovery could fast-track our journey to net zero carbon emissions and change the future of solar energy as we know it. Microscope want to know how they pulled it off? Watch now to get the full story. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you're excited about the future of clean energy.